there from Bugeye guys. This is a Bugeye called Crane, and I am heading to go for a swim. I've got my big lobster claws on because it's November. The horn works, and what you're going to see me do in a second with those big clunky gloves is turn off the key by mistake while I'm shifting. And so that's what the gestures are all about in a few seconds here. If you turn off the key, you just turn it back on again and the car comes back to life, but you're going to see that that is a risk when you wear big mitts. So I'm checking the choke first. Oh, here's the problem. The key was off. Okay. Anyway, this is a very nice stock car. It's been really well maintained. We sold this car to 2 different people, and before each departure, we did a ton of work to get it ready. So it's a really nicely sorted car. You should be able to hear that. Those are the turn signals if you're unfamiliar. That switch right above the key. And it's a 4-speed car, just in really nice shape. Very stock, except it has disc brakes in the front, which is a really nice upgrade. The other really great thing about this car is that the prior owners have really just kind of fallen in love with the car to the extent that they purchased everything they could for it. So it all comes with the car, like bags for the windows, nice windows, and a bag for the top. There's even a bag for the top bow in case you want to put it in your garage in a bag. And here I'm getting on to 95, so you'll see I'll take it up to about 60, 65 miles an hour, and the car performs really nicely. That's the left turn signal. If you're unfamiliar, that's the turn signal switch. You can see it blinking above the steering wheel. And that's 4,000 RPMs, which is about 60 miles an hour. 4,200, a little bit faster, 63, 65. The car is straight. You know, it's very hard to do this with most of the Bugeyes you find out in the world. When they come here, they don't do this. When a Bugeye can go 65 as smoothly as that, you know you have a good one. Here's a little night bonus. I was driving home the other night. The lights work nicely. It was a lot of fun to take these out in the evening, and this is a nice 2-lane road here. And that's a radio mobile, AM radio, just a gorgeous period accessory. So many of these cars had the perforation knocked out. They came from the factory equipped, ready to have a radio. A lot of them that we find have a big hole there. This one was filled with that gorgeous radio mobile. It's just a beautiful period accessory. And it also has a speaker that's just in front of the shift lever. So those go together. Anyway, thanks for coming for a drive today from Bugeye Guys, and give us a call if you like this particular car.